Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type here Chrome, and we need to open its file location. Then simply right click on it, select properties, then go to, we need to edit this, so simply type space dash no dash sandbox, then click on apply and then select continue. Okay, now we need to close this window. After that, just right click here, select new and create a shortcut. Now select browse button, then open its file location, so go to C drive, then open program files, then go to Google Chrome, and we need to select this file chrome.exe and click on OK. Now this will be our path. After that, click on next and select finish. Now here simply right click on it and select rename, and we need to name it as Chrome and hit enter. So right click on it, show more options, and select pin to taskbar. Now restart your system, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.